Hi guys, welcome to Tech News.
My name is Gautam. Today I am going to review and unbox an amazing product from BoAt. This one is BoAt PartyPal 20 Bluetooth speaker. Let's see, unbox now. BoAt plug into Nirvana. This is nice. Comes with microphone, karaoke, and other singing also. You can use it. Excellent product from BoAt. Nice. See guys, nice strong side buttons. Strong speaker, one big speaker. You can connect DC 5 watts. You can connect DC 5 watts using like a normal mobile charger. You can use for charging also. USB charger also you can use. USB wire through computer. Any power supply you can use 5 watts power supply, and you can use USB driver also. You can use aux cable also, and they have given one mic input also. So we'll check it now. So to power on this amazing speaker, from the first button here, this one is the orange one is volume increase and decrease button. So this one is press this button.
Power on.
Yeah.
You have plugged into Nirvana.
Yeah, it's
Your device is ready to pair.
Yes, your device is ready to pair. So you can switch on your Bluetooth, mobile Bluetooth also. You can connect through this button. So you can press again this button after switching on the speaker.
Aux mode.
It goes to aux mode.
FM mode.
FM
Recording mode.
recording mode. You can record your voice using this mic also. So you need to press the first button to change the mode. So first we can see, we can connect to the aux cable also. So using this aux cable, so one end you can plug into your phone, another one is here, aux in, plug into the aux in. So you can switch on your music player, anything, YouTube music player. So see guys, continuously 4 hours, 4.5 hours of party time. So you can play 4.5 hours continuously without connecting power supply. So it's rechargeable battery. And next one is LED lit speaker. So when the speaker is, this device is on, LED lights will be blink. Yeah, two lights maybe. You can see the disco lights light. Amazing guys. And multiple modes. It has multiple modes: aux mode, FM mode, USB and recording modes. You need to press this button, first button. So to change the modes you can connect and change the according to the similar mode. So you can hear amazing sounds here. So this is all about PartyPal from BoAt. Nice guys. Awesome speaker. You can connect, you can sing anything.
nice speaker, yeah. Worth it to buy. Don't you don't confuse anything. You must buy this one. If you are a singer also, you can take outside simply carrying this. Nice. So this is all about boat PartyPal 20.
Yeah. Hi guys, this is all about PartyPal 20. So if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We'll come with an amazing videos. Thank you for watching.